That before was better. Oh, that. No. Next set, we're gonna try to do the same thing, just standing. Because they see it and they wait too much to get on the gas. They're always shaking their heads. Oh, they're all shaking their heads. No. Oh, way better. You saw that how before he set and then get on the gas. Then he got on the gas before. It was way better. Whoa. Too much clutch. He's using the clutch entering the corner. Too much clutch. He has to put the clutch away and throw it in the trash. He used the clutch too much. Seems me 2 years ago.